Going down.
Hey, I'm just starting out my video. We're at the Embassy Suites at USF in Tampa, Florida.
It's just like 765.
Yeah, the indicator, I don't know why it does that. I've seen Kone elevators change like to one floor almost immediately, but not 5, or not 3.
First floor.
I've been in a Kone that's have this issue before.
Yeah.
Going
Alright,
up.
let's go back to 8. These used to be northern,
Yeah.
I think. Yeah.
Or,
I'm gonna watch
which
that
are
view one
super
more time.
rare, so.
Yeah.
That'd be all wanted. When I was here last week, this hotel was pretty busy.
Yeah.
8th floor.
Eight.
Here we are at 8.
Going
Have the
down.
honors.
Alright, so what do you want?
Oh, you can press one.
Alright, I'll push 1. I'm gonna look at the certificate.
But it's not been inspected. It
It
says 8/1/2020.
Yeah, they don't have the new certificate. Huh.
First floor.
Here we are at 1, and I guess I'll lift it up here.
Going up.
Alright, I'll end it down here, I guess.